This Chefman 6-quart compact air fryer is engineered for modern households that want fast, healthier, and consistently delicious meals without sacrificing kitchen space or ease of use. Designed by Chefman, this air fryer blends high-powered performance with a streamlined, minimalist aesthetic that fits naturally into contemporary kitchens. From weeknight dinners to quick snacks for family or guests, this appliance positions itself as a dependable solution for people who want restaurant-style crispiness at home with minimal oil, minimal effort, and maximum control. At the heart of this air fryer's appeal is its ability to deliver speed and versatility without overwhelming the user with complexity. The 6-quart capacity is carefully balanced to serve meals for 3 to 5 people while still maintaining a compact, narrow footprint that preserves valuable countertop space. Unlike bulky air fryers that dominate the kitchen visually and physically, this model feels intentional and efficient, offering ample internal space for full meals while remaining easy to store when not in use. This thoughtful design choice makes it especially appealing to apartment dwellers, busy families, and anyone who values a clutter-free cooking environment. Performance is where the Chefman air fryer truly distinguishes itself, particularly through its high-fry technology that reaches temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This feature is designed to elevate the final texture of food by delivering an intense burst of heat during the last minutes of cooking, resulting in a noticeably crisp exterior without drying out the interior. Whether preparing chicken tenders, French fries, roasted vegetables, or reheating leftovers, the difference in crunch and color is immediately apparent. This high-heat finishing capability addresses one of the most common complaints about air fryers, which is the inability to replicate the deep, satisfying crispness of traditional frying methods. The touchscreen control panel enhances usability by offering a clean, intuitive interface that responds quickly to input. Users can manually adjust time and temperature with precision or rely on one of the 4 built-in presets for popular foods, making it easy to achieve consistent results even for beginners. The digital display is clear and legible, reducing guesswork and allowing cooks to monitor progress at a glance. This balance of automation and manual control ensures that the air fryer adapts to different cooking styles, from hands-off convenience to more customized culinary experimentation. One of the most practical features of this Chefman air fryer is the LED shake notification system, which alerts users halfway through the cooking cycle with an audible reminder. This small but impactful feature significantly improves cooking outcomes by encouraging even heat distribution and consistent crisping on all sides of the food. It removes the need to constantly check on meals, allowing users to multitask confidently while still achieving optimal texture and doneness. For busy households, this feature alone adds meaningful value by improving results without increasing effort. Health-conscious cooking is another core strength of this appliance, as it allows users to prepare traditionally indulgent foods with little to no oil. By circulating hot air efficiently around the food, the Chefman air fryer reduces fat content while preserving flavor and texture. This makes it easier to maintain a balanced diet without giving up comfort foods, supporting long-term lifestyle changes rather than short-term dietary restrictions. Over time, this can translate into healthier eating habits without the sense of deprivation that often accompanies low-fat cooking. Cleanup and maintenance are often overlooked aspects of kitchen appliances, but the Chefman 6-quart air fryer excels in this area as well. The nonstick basket and rack are dishwasher-safe, dramatically reducing post-meal cleanup time and effort. The matte black exterior resists fingerprints and wipes clean easily with a damp cloth, maintaining its sleek appearance even with frequent use. These details contribute to a more enjoyable ownership experience, as the appliance remains convenient not only during cooking but also afterward. Safety and reliability further reinforce the appeal of this air fryer. Automatic shutoff technology ensures that the unit powers down when cooking is complete or if the basket is removed, providing peace of mind during use. The CETL approval and built-in safety systems reflect a commitment to durability and long-term performance, making this air fryer a dependable addition to daily kitchen routines. With consistent results and dependable operation, it becomes a tool users can trust rather than monitor constantly. From a value perspective, The Chefman 6-quart compact air fryer offers an impressive balance of capacity, power, and features at a size that suits most kitchens. It is particularly well suited for users who want a single appliance capable of replacing multiple cooking methods, including frying, roasting, reheating, and even light baking. While it does not attempt to overload the user with unnecessary extras, the features it does include are purposeful and genuinely enhance the cooking experience. Pros: the Chefman 6-quart air fryer delivers exceptional crisping performance thanks to its 450 degrees Fahrenheit high-fry technology, making it ideal for achieving restaurant-quality textures at home. Its compact yet spacious design maximizes capacity without monopolizing counter space, while the intuitive touchscreen controls and shake notifications improve consistency and ease of use. Dishwasher-safe components, automatic shutoff, and a sleek, easy-to-clean exterior further enhance convenience and long-term satisfaction. Cons: while the 6-quart capacity is sufficient for most households, larger families or batch meal preppers may occasionally need to cook in multiple rounds. Additionally, users seeking a wide range of specialized presets or accessories may find the feature set intentionally streamlined rather than expansive. Final verdict: the Chefman 6-quart compact air fryer stands out as a powerful, stylish, and user-friendly appliance that delivers fast, healthier meals with impressive crispiness. Its thoughtful design, reliable safety features, and high-temperature finishing capability make it an excellent choice for everyday cooking. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and decide if this air fryer is the upgrade your kitchen needs. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.